tone of voice you are recording?
I got it. Doesn't really matter, bro. How did you get this ball? I got the ball right side.
How did you get this number?
Alright, so I'm gonna pick that. You guys fucking you fucking assholes. Fuck you and leave you there. Alright. I left you there with the ride and you sat there, bro. That's cool, bro. That's fucking cool, you asshole. I'll give him one. Yeah, fuck me, bro. Fuck, when you ask him, I'll fucking kick your ass. Fuck you. Let's go. Let's go. Bye. Fucking assholes. Dude, straight your asshole. I don't know what to say to you guys. I just think it's ridiculous. Seriously. That's exactly what I'm thinking right now, so you're even thinking about that it's our fault. It's not your fault, but I mean, what do you say to you guys? What? You guys just love me there, dude. What do you want to say? I think you came with. Alright, that's cool. Alright. Alright, I understand what you're saying. Whatever. I don't care. You came with Steins. We left with the ride that I came with. And you had a chance to go on with the ride that you came with. No, I didn't. Well, where's Steins? I'm still in the bar. I couldn't get back in, dude. I tried. Took me over. So, I can't handle this stupid shit. It's like so fucking, it's ridiculous. Like, with this gay shit. It is ridiculous that you're pissed at me. It is ridiculous. You're right. I'm not pissed. I'm not pissed at you. Yes, you are. You just said, fuck you, you're gonna turn into nothing in life. That's what you said. I didn't mean that. Why did I came with you? And you had a chance to leave with the one that you left came with. I had no chance to leave with anybody, dude. I had nothing. I just sat there by myself, dude. When we left. You guys love me though. That's all I'm saying. You guys fucking love me. I had no chance to be fine. I couldn't get far. We didn't leave you. Yeah, you did. You guys were straight. But, I mean, it's like, whatever. And you guys, no one fucking stopped for me. So, I mean, whatever. It's how it is. But, because the car was packed, which is why we didn't bring you. I don't know, the car's packed. I don't know. But you know what? You know what? The car's fucking packed. You're exactly right on that. The car's fucking packed. I couldn't get back. So, you're right. You're right on that. I cannot get back. The car's packed. Can't get back. You're right. No, it was cool. It's cool that I can't get back because the car's fucking packed. Alright. I mean, that's fine, dude. The car's fucking packed. You think I would fucking leave you there? You fucking asshole. If the fucking car's fucking packed, fuck you. I wasn't in the bar. Why do you go out with him?
Hey, Brad, I put the phone down.
I think Anthony fuck, we're gonna miss the show.
Wait,
Are they good friends? What's going on here?
Coke, get somebody back online.